Alright, let's try and factor x squared plus 5x plus 6. So the first thing I need to know is understand my a, b, and c. So this over here is going to be my a, this is going to be my b, and this is going to be my c. The first thing I need to do is figure out a number, or a pair of numbers, in this case, that multiply to a value of a times c, which is going to be, this is 1, right? The one in front, it's going to be, we're looking at is 1, and 6. So it's going to be multiplied to 6. And it has to add to a value of 5. So if we think about it, it doesn't take us long to figure out that this number is 3 and 2. Because if we have 3 times 2, it gives us 6, and 3 plus 2, it gives us 5. So that's perfect. Now what we need to do is actually break apart our middle term with 3 and 2. So now we can rewrite this as x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now what we need to do is actually set this to 0, since we're actually factoring it. Now, let's break this out into groups here. And now let's take out the common factor. In this case, it's going to be x. So we have to take out x, we have x plus 3. And let's take out a common factor from 2x and 2x plus 6, which is basically 2. So we have x plus 3. And a way to know that you did factoring correctly is that if you have the same thing here and here, that means you basically have done it correctly to an extent. You can only know if you did it correctly by actually foiling it or expanding the answer that you get. So to finish this off, we don't actually take these two. Our actual factors are x plus 2 and x plus 3. Alright. So now if we expand this, we should get back here. So let's expand it. So we're going to, if we expand it, we get x squared, right? And then we would get plus 3x, and then we'd get plus 2x plus 2 times 3, which is plus 6. Now if we simplify, we get x squared plus 6x. Sorry, plus 5x plus 6. And that's it to solving this problem. And these are our factors.